Over 50? YouTube works differently here. If you're over 50 and quietly wondering whether you've missed your chance to build real income online, whether YouTube, AI, and all this new economy stuff passed you by while you were busy doing the responsible thing, stay with me. Because what I'm about to show you is the opposite of what you've been told, and it may be the safest move you can make right now. Here's the uncomfortable truth no one likes to say out loud. The old retirement math doesn't feel solid anymore. Inflation is chewing away at savings. Government promises sound hopeful, but vague. And deep down, you know this. Doing nothing feels just as risky as doing the wrong thing. Now here's hook number 2, and this one usually stops people cold. What if the reason YouTube hasn't worked for you yet is because you were trying to play a young person's game? Viral trends, endless posting, tech gymnastics. None of that was designed for someone with 30 years of lived experience and professional credibility. And hook number 3, this is the one most people miss entirely. What if you don't need to become a YouTuber at all? What if YouTube is simply a lever, a way to turn what you already know into reliable, low-drama income without starting over, gambling your future, or pretending to be someone you're not? Today, I want to show you a calmer, smarter path forward, one built specifically for people who did things right and still want control over what comes next. We hope that this will help you feel more capable and less uneasy. If you're over 50 and watching people half your age supposedly making millions on YouTube while you're sitting there wondering if you missed the boat entirely, this video might just change everything you think you know about building income online. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel at Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50 plus to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to eliminate the blank page forever. Not to replace your voice, not to write for you, but to give your experience a framework. Because being over 50 is not your weakness, it's your edge. And once you learn how to structure that edge properly, everything changes. Let's get into it. Because here's what nobody's telling you about the YouTube game in 2026, and why your age might actually be your biggest advantage. I'm going to share something with you that goes against everything the gurus are preaching. While everyone's chasing the latest viral trend or trying to become the next big personality, there's a completely different approach that's perfect for people who've already built a lifetime of real experience and knowledge. And it has nothing to do with dancing in front of cameras or learning complicated tech skills. Let me start with a story that might sound familiar. 3 months ago, I got an email from Mark, a 56-year-old engineer from Miami. He'd been watching YouTube success stories for months, feeling like he was on the outside looking in. Mark had done everything right his entire career. 32 years with the same company, maxed out his 401k, bought property when prices made sense, followed every piece of conventional financial advice. But something had shifted. The retirement calculator numbers that once felt comfortable now felt fragile. Inflation was eating away at his savings faster than they were growing. The pension promises from government felt less certain each year. Mark wasn't broke, not even close, but that uneasy feeling in his stomach wouldn't go away. He knew he needed additional income streams, not just more savings. Sound familiar? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. Millions of people in their 50s, 60s, and beyond are facing this exact same realization. The old playbook isn't working anymore, and the new playbook seems designed for 25-year-olds with infinite energy and no responsibilities.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe, and the notification bell.
Here's where most people over 50 make their first crucial mistake on YouTube. They look at what's working for younger creators and try to copy it. They think they need to learn about trending hashtags, viral editing techniques, or how to create content that appeals to teenagers. This is completely backwards. Your decades of experience, your professional credibility, your understanding of real problems that real people face, these aren't disadvantages in the YouTube game. They're massive competitive advantages that most creators would kill for, but only if you approach it the right way. Let me explain what I mean. The YouTube ecosystem has evolved dramatically over the past few years. While everyone's paying attention to the flashy entertainment channels, there's been a quiet revolution happening in what I call the authority economy. Viewers are increasingly hungry for content from people who actually know what they're talking about, who've been there and done that, who can provide genuine insight rather than recycled information. Think about it. When you have a serious problem, do you want advice from someone who read about it on the internet last week, or from someone who's lived through it and come out the other side? The answer is obvious, but most people over 50 don't realize this applies to YouTube too. Here's the second mistake almost everyone makes, and this one's subtle but critical. They assume that making money on YouTube means becoming a full-time content creator. They picture themselves filming videos every day, editing for hours, responding to comments, building a massive audience of hundreds of thousands of subscribers. This couldn't be further from the truth. Some of the most profitable YouTube channels I know have relatively small audiences, but generate substantial income because they've positioned themselves correctly. They're not entertainers, they're educators and problem solvers serving specific audiences with real needs. Let me give you a concrete example. There's a channel run by a 62-year-old former financial advisor. She posts one video per week, usually just talking to the camera in her home office. No fancy graphics, no expensive equipment, no viral stunts. She helps people navigate retirement planning mistakes. Her audience is around 15,000 subscribers, tiny by YouTube standards. But here's the kicker. She generates more monthly income from that small audience than many channels with millions of subscribers. How? Because she's serving people with a serious problem who are willing to pay for real solutions. Her viewers aren't teenagers looking for entertainment. They're adults with disposable income looking for expertise. This brings us to the third major mistake, and it's about timing. Most people over 50 think they're too late to the YouTube party. They see it as something that peaked 5 years ago and assume all the opportunities are gone. This is exactly backwards. YouTube is more saturated than ever with entertainment content, but it's actually undersaturated with authoritative, experience-based content. The platform is actively promoting educational and helpful content over pure entertainment. The algorithm has shifted to favor videos that provide real value, and that's exactly where people with decades of experience have a natural advantage. Plus, and this is crucial, artificial intelligence has changed everything about content creation. The technical barriers that once existed are largely gone. You don't need to learn complicated editing software or become a video production expert. AI tools can handle most of the heavy lifting, from generating ideas to optimizing thumbnails to even helping with editing. This video featuring text to voice and screen and LipSynced to an image of me or an avatar is a prime example. But here's what AI can't do, and this is where your age becomes an enormous advantage. AI can't replicate decades of real-world experience. It can't tell the story of how you solved a particular problem in your industry. It can't share the wisdom that comes from making mistakes and learning from them over 30 years of professional life. So what does this actually look like in practice? How do you leverage YouTube without becoming a full-time creator or tech expert? First, you focus on what I call micro-authority. Instead of trying to build a massive general audience, you become the go-to resource for a specific problem within your area of expertise. Maybe you spent 25 years in middle management, and you understand exactly what new managers struggle with. Maybe you've been through a divorce and rebuilt your finances from scratch. Maybe you've started 3 small businesses and learned what actually works versus what the books tell you. Second, you use what I call the teaching ladder approach. You're not trying to compete with influencers or entertainers. You're positioning yourself one step ahead of your ideal viewer. You're the person who's already solved the problem they're currently facing. This creates natural authority and trust without requiring you to be the world's leading expert on anything. Third, you leverage AI tools to handle the technical aspects while you focus on the human elements. Modern AI can help with everything from script writing assistance to thumbnail creation to video optimization. All of these AI facilities are optimized with this video. Your job is to provide the experience, wisdom, and authentic perspective that only comes from actually living through something. The income opportunities here are substantial and diverse. Beyond traditional YouTube ad revenue, which honestly isn't where the real money is anyway, you can position yourself for consulting opportunities, create information products, build email lists of highly targeted prospects, or even launch small courses or coaching programs. But here's the most important part. and why this approach is perfect for people over 50. It's not about gambling your future or starting completely over. It's about taking the expertise and credibility you've already built and extending it into a new medium. You're not changing careers, you're expanding your reach. The people who succeed with this approach aren't the ones who try to become YouTube stars overnight. They're the ones who consistently show up, share valuable insights from their experience, and build genuine relationships with audiences who actually need what they have to offer. If this resonates with you, if you're sitting there thinking this might actually be possible, then you're already ahead of most people. The hardest part isn't learning the technical skills or even creating the content. The hardest part is believing that your experience has value in this new economy. It does, more than you realize. Let's come back to where we started, that quiet question you might not say out loud. Did I miss the boat? Here's the real answer. You didn't miss the boat, you skipped the dangerous one. The chaotic, hype-driven version of YouTube was never built for someone like you. And that's exactly why this moment works in your favor. What has changed is the economy YouTube now serves. Viewers are tired of noise. They're actively searching for experience, perspective, and calm authority. They want guidance from people who've lived through real cycles, careers, mistakes, recoveries, decisions that actually mattered. That's not something AI can fake, and it's not something a 22-year-old can manufacture. This isn't about becoming famous. It's about becoming useful to the right people. You don't need to post daily. You don't need complicated tech skills. You don't need to gamble your future on trends you don't trust. You need a clear audience, a real problem you understand deeply, and a simple system that turns trust into income over time. YouTube becomes the front door, not the whole house. And maybe the most important thing to hear is this. Starting now doesn't make you late. It makes you relevant, because you're entering with intention, leverage, and perspective, not desperation. So if you've been standing still because you didn't want to make a foolish move, this is the opposite of foolish. It's measured, it's modern, and it respects everything you've already built. You didn't miss your chance. You finally found the right way in.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.